Good morning, beta. Today we are going to start with the chapter Lines and Angle, that is chapter number 5. So let's start with the try these first. You have to read out the introduction and then we will start with the try these of page number 95. We will do all the example, try these, and then we will proceed with the exercise. Okay? We will not leave any question in between. ठीक है, ट्राई दी से स्टार्ट करके जो जो कॉन्टिन्यूटी में आता जाएगा वी विल कंप्लीट ऑल दिस. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज जो आपने ये किया. Can two acute angles be complementary? So she has taken two acute angle. The sum is 90. So yes. Yes. Is it happen every time that sum of two acute angle will always be 90? ठीक है, तो 90 से लेस भी हो सकता है. तो आपसे पूछ रहे कैन तो यस मतलब हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी, तो कैन में इट इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट में पूछ रहा है कैन टू राइट एंगल बी द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल. तो शी हैज टेकन two right angle and the sum of two right angle is 180 which is not equal to 90. So two right angle cannot be complementary to each other. They are not the complement of each other. Because for the complement, we need the sum as 90. It should not be more than 90. And in this, if she has taken two obtuse angle, the sum is 230, which is already more than 90. So two obtuse angle will not give you the sum as 90. So it is the only possibility for two acute angles. Got it? Chalo. Next is try these or think discuss. Try these of this page number 90, 95. Okay. ये कौन से क्वेश्चन किए इसमें? ठीक, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन की है। Yes, same try this question number 2. Sanchit come. Mitul. एक मिनट। नेक्स्ट दिखाओ, एक करके दिखा दो। 90 माइनस फुल फ्लेज पूरा, ये ले लो डस्टर। Yes, नहीं बस एक। Yes, in this second question, you have to find the complement of 45 and you know that sum of two angles is 90 if the angles are complementary. So he has taken two angles, one as 45, other as x, and sum of these angles is 90 because they are complement of one another. So x is equal to 90 minus 45. So complement of 45 is 45. What is the complement of 10 degree? 90 minus 10, that is 80. Complement of 70 degree, 90 minus 70, that is 20 degree. ठीक है? Next question number 3. Come. Question number 3. ऊपर से करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ जी। Question number 3. Start. Read out the statement, beta, first. Two angles are having difference of 12. So he has taken one angle as x and other angle as x minus 12. And they are complementary. They are complementary, na? So their sum will be 90. So add these two angle and equate it equal to 90. That will give you the value of x and x minus 12. But their sum is not 90. Actually, you can check one angle is 44 and another is 32. And if you add them, they should give you 90, but they are not giving. That means minus 12 is plus 12. You must have made some mistake. चेक करो, एक मिनट. थर्टी नाइन आएगा, माइनस करके 39 आएगा. 11 है ना, आपने 10 लिखा है. इफ यू टेक कैरी इट विल बी 11 नॉट 10. 1 था ना, 1 कैरी लिए तो 11 नहीं बनेगा. है क्लियर है कि नहीं? गो. एनी डाउट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है ना, क्वेश्चन 3. नेक्स्ट इज think, discuss and write on page number. Change the page number 96. बाकी ठीक है. Think, discuss, write. इधर कर रहे हो बेटा, स्क्रीन से ही बाहर चले जाते हो. इधर आओ सेंटर में. Yes, Samriddhi. Read out the next statement.
Find the pairs of supplementary angles in figure 5.7. Try these.
First is, can two obtuse angle be supplementary? So he has taken two obtuse angle and the sum is 210, which is more than 180. But for the supplementary angle, the sum should be 180. So this will not be possible. Next is, if you take two acute angle, the sum is 90. If you take some larger angle like 80, 85 here, then also the sum will not be 180. Is it so? आप बताओ, एक 70 ले लिया, एक और यहाँ पर कुछ और ले लो एंगल, 160. क्यों? हाईएस्ट एक्यूट एंगल कैन बी 89 डिग्री. 89 plus 89. Check it. 89 plus 89, which is still not 180 degree. If the sum is 180, then you can say that two acute angles will give you the sum as 180, which form supplementary angle. But here it's not possible. And if you take two right angle, the sum is 180. That means this is only possible for two right angles. The angle should not be supplement, should not be obtuse, should not be acute. But if two right angles are there, then the sum is 180. Clear? Come. Page number 96. Try these. This was a thing discussed, right? Now next is your try these. Yes, Samriddhi? Wait.
मैम आंसर के लिए किया ट्राई दीज के.
Okay, okay. What's the answer of the first part?
मैम थर्ड फिगर.
What?
मैम ट्राई दीज 96 पेज. थर्ड फिगर.
Third figure. Can you read out the question?
Find the pairs of supplementary angles. Ma'am, supplementary angles is 50 degree, 130 degree.
Supplementary means the two angles which form 180 degree as answer. So you are saying that third figure is forming 180 degree. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the first figure?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the first figure?
Ma'am, it is forming 160 degree.
Okay, so which is not supplementary. Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Do next question. Beta, bring your book. Hold it in your hands. लिखा जाएगा. Fold it. चलो, हाँ जी. So these two angles are not forming the sum as 180. So these two angles 110 and 50 are not supplementary. Is it okay? If the sum is 180, then only you can say that angles are supplementary, otherwise not. What is the supplementary angle of 0 degree? What is the 180 minus 0? That is 180. What is the complementary angle of 0 degree? 90. 90 minus 0 is 90. What is the complementary angle of x degree? X का complement 90 minus x. Supplement of x is 180 minus x. What is the supplement of m degree? M. 180 minus m. X है तो x लगा दो. जो नंबर को भी तो माइनस करते हो ना, बट हेयर इंस्टेड ऑफ नंबर I have given you variable. So you will write 180 minus x, 180 minus m. ठीक है? Don't get confused. रहने दो बस. Go. So in the second part, the sum is 170, which is still less than 180. So these two angles are not supplementary. But in the third part, the sum is 180. That means the two angles are supplementary. Got it? Any doubt? Start question number 2. Start question number 2. Drishti, can you tell how you will solve question number 2?
Yes, ma'am. मैम हम 180 माइनस नंबर कौन सा भी हम नंबर लेंगे उसको 180 से माइनस कर देंगे.
Tell me the first part ना बेटा. First, what is the first part?
मैम 180 माइनस 100.
Yes, its supplementary will be?
मैम 80 डिग्री.
80 degree, yes. Supplementary angle of 100 degree is 80 degree. Okay. Sanchit, come. Come. Question number 2, second part. No, come on the board. Chalo, Harsha. Yes. Question number 2, second part. ठीक है. आपने एक चीज नोटिस की, जो 45 एंगल था उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट भी 45 था. ऐसे ही 90 का सप्लीमेंट 90 है. तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछ ले द एंगल विच इज इक्वल टू इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट 45 डिग्री, द एंगल विच इज इक्वल टू इट्स सप्लीमेंट 90, क्योंकि 90 का सप्लीमेंट 90 है, 45 का कॉम्प्लीमेंट 45 था. ठीक है, तो ये आ सकता है ऐसे क्वेश्चन. हाँ कर दो थर्ड क्वेश्चन. नहीं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 3 बोला था मैंने आपको, आप उसका पार्ट कर दिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है. चलो जाओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 who will do last क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 करो. सेम जैसे लक्ष्य ने किया था, x और एक x माइनस 12 बिल्कुल सेम है, बस 90 की जगह 180 करना है. कम. एटलीस्ट यू शुड गिव अ ट्राई. अगर रॉन्ग भी हो जाएगा देन व्हाट विल हैपन? नथिंग. अटेंडेंस नोट कर लो बच्चे। ओके गो। 20 ओके। The difference of the two numbers were given as 44 या sum? अच्छा, one is greater than the other one by 44. So one angle he has taken as x and the another one is x plus 44. अगर दो का डिफरेंस दिया हो तब भी ऐसे ही ले सकते हैं। सम दिया, डिफरेंस दिया, बात एक ही है। एंगल आपकी मर्जी, आप जैसे मर्जी ले सकते हो, प्लस में भी ले सकते हो, माइनस में भी ले सकते हो। आंसर विल बी सेम, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर डूइंग करेक्ट कैलकुलेशंस। दोनों का सम कितना हो गया? 180, 44 will be subtracted. He has got 68. One angle is 68 and 68 plus 44 will give you 112. Now you can add these two angles to get the sum as 180. If they are giving you sum as 180, that means it's correct. Otherwise it will be wrong. Okay? Otherwise you have to check your calculations again. So this try these we have completed. Okay. What's the next question? Now, who will tell me what are adjacent angles? Adjacent angle. Can you explain it on the board? Chalo, karo explain. वो नीचे try these. कोई बात. Yes, Nonihal, sitting free. You have to explain it.
These angles share a common vertex, which is B, and both the angles share a common arm, which is C. Angle
Common arm
BC. And the angles.
And non-common arms are BA and BD, which are on the either side of the common arm. ये common arm है, ये non-common arm है, that is on the either side of the common arm. ठीक है? And instead of this, you can draw the figure in this manner also. This is the common arm. These are the two angles. Where one angle is finishing, the another one is starting from here. So this is the common arm. These are the non-common arms.